What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, in the spirit of Halloween, I have a fantastic new cooking video for you today. Today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween-themed gelatin treats. And they're pretty easy to make, even though they take quite a while, they're pretty easy to make. So, let's go over what we need. So, to make gelatin, all you're going to need is about 1 or 2 boxes of gelatin, and also get either orange or black cherry flavored, because you know, pumpkin orange or black cherry for blood and stuff. And you're going to need cookie cutters. Now, you don't have to use the cookie cutters, but it helps make the job and the designs a little less crude if you use cookie cutters, but you don't have to. Anyway, let's get on with this. Alright, so first things first, you're going to take 2 cups of water and you're going to pour them into a pot and you're going to boil it, and you're going to heat it up until it boils. Next, you're going to need a mixing bowl, and you're going to pour the gelatin into a mixing bowl. And this is really important. Do not use plastic, because the hot water will melt the plastic. Make sure the mixing bowl you use is either glass, ceramic, or metal. So never use plastic. And while you're waiting for your hot water to boil, you're going to use the same measuring cup. You're going to pour 2 cups of water into a measuring cup, and then you're going to put it in the refrigerator. It's for the cold water on the pack, according to the package directions. Kind of hard to see, but the water's starting to boil now. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the boiling water and you're going to pour it into the mixing bowl, and you're going to stir it around for 2 minutes. Alright, so now that it's all mixed up, you're going to pour your 2 cups of cold water into this bowl. I just poured the cold water into this bowl, and I'm going to show you the next step. Next, you're going to need a 28-inch pan or so, and you're going to pour your gelatin mix into this pan. Now that it's in the pan, you're going to put it in the fridge, and you're going to let it chill for about 3 or 4 hours. Gently. Alright, so it's been 4 hours. I let the gelatin sit in the fridge. I'm going to take it out, and I'll show you the next step. Alright, you can see the gelatin is extremely thick. It's been sitting in the fridge. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to cut it into the shape you desire. I'm going to attempt to do a pumpkin. Well, amazingly, this is easy to cut. Apparently I kind of messed up a little bit on pulling it out. It fell apart. So whatever you do when you cut the gelatin out, please be careful. You're going to need cookie cutters to make the designs a little bit more accurate, although I did a pretty good job. I'm going to try again. Well, I attempted to pull another one out and it didn't work. So apparently you will need cookie cutters if you're going to make accurate Halloween themed shapes. Oh well, I tried. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. My attempt at it anyway. Just to remember, this is what happens when you attempt to make gelatin shapes while using a knife. This is why you need cookie cutters. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. I hope to see you next time.